Another fine vehicle offered by Apple Ford Lincoln Mercury.
This is a 2002 Mazda Protege, a small car with big personality. The solid engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, smoothly responds to your every instruction. Not to mention that this Mazda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this car for yourself.
Apple Ford Lincoln Mercury is located at 8800 Stanford Boulevard in Columbia. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.